Just Give Her. Woo! Hey, welcome back to our channel, Just Give Her Garage. This is part one of our vehicle maintenance series.
How's it going? Today we're going to be working on removal of a cold air intake filter, cleaning and oiling it. So let's get into it. Alright, so you need a star bit, take off the cover. It's just these 4 screws. Your vehicle will probably be different. Plates off. On this I need an 8mm socket. Take off the hose clamp. Remove the old dirty filter.
Oh, she's quite dirty.
Oh yeah. Let's go clean and oil it and show you that process. Alright, so to clean this we need a K&N recharge kit here. Comes with your filter cleaner and your filter oil. So we're going to spray this first all over the filter, let it soak for 10 minutes, and then we're going to hose it down, make sure all the crap's out of it.
That one's super dirty, huh?
Oh yeah. Didn't look that bad at first. Usually lasts about 6 months before you have to clean it again. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I didn't think this filter was that bad. Just want to make sure you cover the whole thing. Get it nice and deep in there.
So how many times is this kit good for?
This is probably 2 to 3 filters depending on the size of the filter. With these filters we get 3 filters cleaned and oiled with them. Alright,
Nice.
let that soak.
Looking good. It should give you like a better
Yeah. Should give you like a pump.
yeah,
So you
yeah.
just
Yeah, pump would be good.
pressure wash it.
Yeah. Well, I guess most people are only doing one cleaner of air filter at a time there. So.
Well, we have 3 on the go because after you wash this, you gotta wait 24 hours before you can oil it and install it. Alright. Go extra on that one.
Just Give Her, bud. Nice. Then what do you do now? Spray her with the hose?
Yeah, wait 10 minutes, spray it with the hose, make sure all the crap's out of it. Try to get it to look like this filter right here.
Nice and clean.
This one's just ready for oil.
Nice.
Inside and outside are done.
Nice. All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes now. Now you just got to give her with the hose. Give her, bud. Look at all that junk coming out. Oh, man.
You always want to start with the inside of the filter, the clean side of the filter. Push all the grime out of the outside of the fins first with low pressure. Oh, look at that. Already pretty clean though.
Oh.
Just pissed myself.
Look at it, it's still coming out. Do you want to keep spraying it until it's just clean, eh?
Clean,
like,
yeah.
no suds, no nothing?
No suds left. Spray it till all the dirt's out. Until the filter turns back to white or blue depending on the filter. Good way to save money.
Yeah. What's that kit cost? Like $25? Nice.
With tax.
Canadian.
Canadian. Probably like 14 bucks American.
Can't go wrong.
We've had these filters in our Jeep for 3 years now?
4 years now, yeah. 3 or 4 years.
It's not like we're easy on them.
Nope. They've been through some hell. Especially up in Minden.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Rock crawling. Oh yeah, look at that. So now, how long do you gotta let them dry for?
Now you gotta shake them out, get rid of all the excess water, let it sit for probably about 24 hours, fully air dry, before you can put oil in it.
Nice.
Clean.
Well, we let the filter air dry. Now you gotta lube her up to shove her back in. Can already see it.
Oh yeah. Always spray with the fins.
And then right after you oil it, you can shove her back in, right?
Yep. Lube her up, shove back in.
Good to go.
Ready to rip. Alright, the
Nice.
filter is good to go.
Looking good. Alright. Jam her back in.
Alright, before you put the filter in, you probably want to clean out your box. One nice clean box, put the filter back in.
Everybody always loves a clean box.
Look at that.
Nice and clean.
Nice. Beautiful. Look how dirty this engine is.
Well, how many K does this Jeep have?
385,000.
That's crazy. That's crazy for a 3.8.
Everybody said they wouldn't last. Clean enough.
Look at that. Nice clean cover.
Ooh,
Almost lost her, bud.
almost. This one's having a hard time finding the hole. Get out the ratchet, but it takes too long.
They don't have to go in super tight
No.
anyways, right? Good to go.
This video is probably too long, but this is only like a 15-minute process. Other than the wait time for the soap and the wait time for the dry. Easy. Look at that. Nice and clean filter. Ready to rip.
Well, like and subscribe and just give her. Woo!